So, it's been 2 days since you uploaded your last video. You check out the analytics and they aren't good. They are below the level most people on forums deem good or even okay. So naturally, the questions start rolling in. Is it my voice? Is it the way I look? Is it this? Is it that? Should I change my thumbnail? The title? I mean, the chances are you do. I am here to tell you that it's normal, I think. So I've come up with 3 ways to cope with this tragedy. Number 1. You're a brand new person to most of your audience. Think back to those YouTubers you now watch regularly. When you first watched a video they made, do you think you watched it all the way through? I mean, I can't remember, but the point is that the longer you watch a creator, even if it's in small amounts, you kinda get invested to whatever they are doing, which in turn makes you more likely to watch their videos all the way through. In short, people don't know you, so they don't care as much about what you got to say. This means that people won't watch your video all the way through. But let's say everyone's kind of familiar with you and you have a little bit of status in your niche. Well, of course that's gonna have a huge impact on your watch duration, on your watch time percentage, watch time rate, whatever. Number 2. Your video isn't good. Sometimes I fall into this trap where I think my video or thumbnail are good enough. Not because they're actually good, but because I made it and I spent a lot of time on it. Sometimes you have to look at your videos, thumbnails and titles with a new lens. Try to make yourself think that someone else made the video and detach yourself from it. Of course it can be a little bit difficult, especially if you appear in your videos, but I strongly recommend trying it nevertheless. Number 3. The final tip, which I think is the best one. Try to think of YouTube as this fair or expo event. Everyone's channel is a booth where they show their videos. Now imagine having a booth in an actual fair. If someone were to stop for 20 seconds and then move on, you wouldn't get mad at them. Anything that doesn't seem at least 90% interesting to them isn't worth their time. And it's alright. Whenever I get a bad watch time duration, I just try to be grateful that they even clicked the video in the first place. Instead of focusing on the things they didn't do, focus on the things they did do. Which is, perhaps, click your video and watch 25 seconds.